So in this part, I want to 3D print a missing component from the Pontos set. As you can see in the drawing, part 26B is a roller, and there's 4 of them around the capstan. So I went to the diagram, and you can see it there. It's the red part on the end of the boat supporter, and it just wasn't there. And I do believe that Pontos have stopped supplying them. So using the part and the Pontos instructions, I was able to work out the dimensions of it and then use Tinkercad to create the part. Once the part was made, it was then a case of importing it into Anycubic's own slicer. And what I did was I put them into groups of 4 and then copied the group for another couple of times. The printer itself, I'll put a link up in the corner, and that will show you the unboxing and setting up and the test run I did on it. It was then a case of just exporting to the USB, sticking into the 3D printer and then running the print. Okay, so here's the parts out of the printer. It's been washed and cured, so they're looking pretty good. We'll give them a coat of paint. I wasn't sure how successful it was going to be, so I did print like 3 groups of 4, so they all came out okay. So we'll now just drill a hole into the deck where the capstan rollers go. We'll just trial fit one. Oh wow, that's really nice. So I don't know if you can see, but on this plate there's actually a recess, and then on the actual part itself you can see the bottom of a lip halfway down. So that's what the Pontos diagram shows, and when we put it in place it actually fits perfectly into that recess. So it's looking really good actually. So we'll just drill the rest of them up. So I'm using a 0.75mm drill. So with the parts painted up, they're easy enough to remove. From the supports, either with snips or, as you can see, one just broke off anyway. Because the resin's quite brittle, and because we've got extra material or peg to go into the hole, we don't really need to clean them up at the bottom. Could actually just break them off. Give this one a try. Oh yeah. So I'll just use micro crystal clear. I appear to have lost one. Oh, it's underneath. Here we go. It's lucky. Oh, my hand's going to be in the way. And that's it. I'm really happy how these have turned out.